I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to my latest video where I'll take you on a breathtaking walking tour of the stunning beaches of Canasvieiras, Brazil. If you're a beach lover, then you're in for a treat. The beaches here are truly extraordinary, and I can't wait to show you all the natural beauty this place has to offer. The water here is calm and warm, and the sand is soft and white. You can rent a chair and an umbrella and enjoy the view, or you can take a dip in the crystal clear waters. Moving on, we'll visit Praia do Forte, which is one of the most beautiful and peaceful beaches in the region.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
The water here is a little rougher than the other beaches, but it's perfect for surfing and other water sports. If you're not into surfing, you can still enjoy the natural beauty of the beach and the surrounding cliffs. Our last stop will be Praia Brava, which is a bit further away from the town center. It's a stunning beach with turquoise waters and stunning scenery. It's a little less crowded than the other beaches, and it's perfect for a quiet day by the sea. There are also a few restaurants and beach bars here, so you can grab a bite to eat or a drink while enjoying the view. And that concludes our walking tour of Canasvieiras beaches. I hope you enjoyed the stunning scenery and the natural beauty of this amazing place. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content like this. Also, please leave a comment below and let me know which beach was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.